Hey guys, welcome to my Minecraft SPEEDRUN tutorial on how to create a super easy potato farm. Let's get started. You will need 2 stacks of fences, 1 fence gate, 21 oak slabs, a hoe, 2 water buckets, and approximately 7 stacks of potatoes. Potatoes can be found in dungeons, villages, and mine shafts and are a popular mob drop. Place your water on the 2 sides of this hole to create an infinite water source, which we will use later. Now, this farm is a 17 times 37 farm and will produce a lot of food in one go. Now analyze how I break these blocks. I leave about 2 block space at the end where it meets the fence, but there is also a 4 block space. The end result should be a radius of 2 blocks per hole. Now this is where the 3 holes come into play, known formally as an infinite water source. This trick helps you to utilize water without having to travel to a water source repeatedly and simplifies the task by minimizing the time required to fill each block. Notice how when I place the blocks down the water doesn't disappear? This is really cool to use, especially if you hate running into water. Potatoes only provide half a health point when consumed raw, but when cooked provides a shocking 3 health points. This is an excellent way to regain strength when battling mobs and players, or even when traveling long distances by foot. Okay, we've planted all of the potatoes we have. It's alright if we didn't plant all of them, all of the irrigated blocks. Now let's take a nap and come back in the morning to check on them. Wow, look at that, they all grew up so fast. Did you know that the average time it takes for a potato in Minecraft to grow is 5 to 20 minutes? Meaning that the most you'll spend waiting on a batch of potatoes is about half a Minecraft day/night, or 1 day and 1 night. Thanks for watching my Minecraft potato speedrun. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Peace.